इनसायड फोंडापोल कार्यावळीन तुमकां परत एकदा येवकार. आज म्हाका फाल्यां तुका हांव कर्मा विशीं उलयना, फोंडेच्या नगराध्यक्षाच्या खुर्चे विशीं उलयतां. 5 वर्सां आनी 6 नगराध्यक्ष. तातूंत जाता कितें की एकल्याक काम समजता म्हणसर दुसरो येता आनी संगीत खुर्ची चालूच उरता. आमी मेळ्ळे फोंडे नगरपालिकेचे आदले अध्यक्ष नेल्सन सुवारीस हांकां. तेन्नाचे फोंडे आनी आतांचे फोंडे हातूंत ते म्हणटा खुबूच फरक आसा.
In our time, we had only presidents talking on that. English is mixed. आमच्या टायमार फक्त प्रेसिडेंट म्हणून आशिल्ले, चेअरपर्सन म्हणजे तेन्ना तो पोस्ट नाशिल्लो. And our time also, I think we changed presidents, but we had a group. We had a group. Because the president एक फावट आयलो, president had certain mottos or certain views that I will make this. तर नेक्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट चेंज जाल्यानंतर दुसरो प्रेसिडेंट तागेलो दुसरो मोटो आसता. बट एट दॅट टायम यू वूड डिसायड ओके वी वील डू दीस. इवन इफ द प्रेसिडेंट चेंजीस यू हॅव टू कंटिन्यू विथ दॅट वर्क. नाजाल्यार कितें जाता, हांवें जें काम घेतलें तें तशेंच उरता, दुसरो प्रेसिडेंट दुसरें काम करता. सो ड्युरींग दॅट टायम इन आवर टायम ऑल्दो वी वर चेंजींग, बट दी वर्क वीच वॉज टेकन बाय अस वॉज कंटिन्यूड बाय द सेकंड प्रेसिडेंट फॉर द इनकमिंग प्रेसिडेंट. आनी अशें करून आमी एक वेहिकल लेगून घेतली तेन्ना. For garbage, that was the first vehicle we purchased from one manufacturer, dryer, and the garbage system started from that time.
फोंडेचे आदले नगरसेवक आल्विन सुवारीस म्हणटा की संगीत खुर्चेन सगळीच वाट लागता.
Today, the requirement comes because politicians' sons are holding these positions. So then it becomes a requirement for them to hold them for 5 years. But when it is somebody else, other than their sons or daughters, whoever it is, then they look into this political, the changing of
Musical chair.
This very concept of musical chairs, whether it's in municipal councils or panchayat, is very bad. See, we had groups where Radhika Naik was our chairperson. We had during the first term and the second term also. But what we did was, when we take forward a team of 2 people, we were the only council in Goa which had a chairperson and a vice chairperson for the full 5 years. Not a single of our councillor even attempted change career.
But there were no disturbances in between.
No, there were some small disturbances, again backed by ministers.
Then ministers.
But
You would like to name then ministers?
कितें जाता फोंड्यान तुमी जाणा कोण कोण लागता. पोंडा तालुका is like everyone interferes in Ponda municipal council. That is not fair.
आमदाराचो चलो वेचून आयलो की संगीत खुर्ची सोंपता. बाकीच्यांक मातशें वांटून घेवचें पडटा. तुमी पळयतात गोवा न्यूज.